Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Heather Lewis, and today we are going to be making over this little cubby here. It was just sitting in the house and dying for a makeover. The first thing I'm going to do is take off all of the hinges with my drill. After everything was off of it, it was time to clean. This piece was really dusty, so I wanted to make sure to clean it really well. And so I used Farmhouse Paint's cleaning kit. I've talked about this before, and this product really makes it easy to clean off your pieces. It's an all-in-one natural multi-purpose cleaner which has no harsh chemicals or heavy odors. You mix some of the salt-like solution into a container of warm water. Now each kit has directions and ratios for how to use this product when cleaning off a piece. Farmhouse Paint also has really great scuff pads that pair well with this cleaning solution. After cleaning, I went in with 120 grit sandpaper and just scuff sanded all of the outer wood by hand that would be painted because this piece is pretty old. There's some dings and scratches, and I just want to make sure that the wood is as smooth as possible. I've been itching to do something really bold on a piece for quite a while, so for this piece I decided to go with the color Lotus, which is almost like a mustard yellow, and it's really bold. At this point, I've used Farmhouse Paint quite a bit, and I really am in love with not only the colors, but the finishes that the paint gives off. I have yet to get into spray painting furniture, so whenever I am brushing, I am always looking for a quality paint that will hide most of my brush strokes. And this paint definitely does that. I never see any of the brush strokes. On top of that, it also has really amazing self-leveling properties. I almost never have to go back and scuff sand in between, which is obviously a plus because I'm saving so much time. This paint only required 2 coats to reach full coverage, and honestly I could have gotten away with only doing 1 coat, but I kind of have a rule with myself that 2 coats is the minimum just because I want to make sure that I'm not missing anything. Now, if you like this type of content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. It really does help our channel grow. Small things like liking, commenting, subscribing really does help small channels like mine. And if you're interested in trying out any of the Farmhouse Paint products, which I highly recommend that you do, you can use my code Heather10 to get 10% off all the products on Farmhouse Paint's website, and I will also have the links to other products that I've used in the description down below. I'm also painting the fronts of these, but I didn't want to get any paint on the chicken wire, so I'm making sure to tape off those before painting. After the paint was all dry, I put the hinges back on as well as the knobs and assembled everything back together. I had one final thing that I wanted to do to this piece before it was done, and that was having a try at antiquing it. Farmhouse Paint has this amazing antiquing dusting kit, and I'm going to run you through it. This kit comes with the antiquing dust, the grease, and a brush to use it on. So I just stick my brush in the grease and then dip it into the powder as well. I already had some on my brush at this point because I had to try it out on the side before I could show you guys how to do it. But it's very, very simple. You just continually put your brush in the grease and the powder, and it'll make this antiquing look. If the powder continues to be a light gray and it's just flying around the surface, make sure to apply more of the grease. And now if it's the other way around where the grease is still very clear, you want to make sure to grab more of the powder. Once you're done with your pattern, you're going to want to grab a finishing cloth, or what I had is a paper towel, and just kind of rub it around because you don't want it to be so bold. You want it to look like it's wearing off or kind of more antiquing because this is an antiquing kit. After I was happy with the top, I continued to do it on both the sides as well as the front so that I could get a very cohesive look. At this point, all I had to do was put the hardware on and this bold yellow piece was finished. So let's go ahead and show you guys the final reveal.